Top 5 benefits of folic acid in pregnancy, preventing birth defects. So, what exactly is folic acid? It's a form of vitamin B9, essential for cell growth and DNA formation. During pregnancy, folic acid plays a crucial role in your baby's development. And here's why. 1. Prevents neural tube defects. Folic acid is a superhero when it comes to preventing neural tube defects, such as spina bifida and anencephaly. These conditions affect the spine and brain and can occur in the first few weeks of pregnancy, even before you realize you're pregnant. 2. Supports healthy brain development. It also supports the proper development of your baby's brain. A healthy brain means a stronger foundation for your little one's future.